Confident, Satish accepted the challenge. The reality of business. Satish went to a rich businessman named Ram Singh to learn the trade. Ram Singh explained, "Business looks glamorous, but it's full of risks. We invest huge amounts, take loans, and depend on uncertain markets. A single storm can destroy everything. Profit and loss go hand in hand." Satish was surprised. He had imagined business as easy and profitable. The truth about jobs still hopeful. Satish went to the city to meet his friend Sudhakar, who had a government job. But Sudhakar sighed, "You think jobs are easy. We work under constant pressure. Our promotions depend on others, and one mistake can cost everything. The salary may look good, but peace is rare." Satish was shocked again. The realization disheartened. Satish returned home. "Father," he said, "I understand now. Every path has struggles. There is no work without hardship. I was wrong to look down on farming." Jagannath smiled proudly. "Son, no work is small or big. What matters is how you do it. With confidence and effort, any work can bring success." A new beginning. From the next day, Satish joined his father in the fields. But he didn't just follow old ways, he used his education to introduce new techniques. Slowly, the farm flourished. Yields doubled, profits increased, and the village admired his success. Jagannath finally took rest, proud of his son. Moral of the story: there is no work without hardship. Success depends not on the job you choose, but on the effort and mindset you bring to it. In a peaceful village called Ramgarh, there lived a wealthy farmer named Jagannath. He owned vast lands and had many workers. Yet, he worked in the fields every single day. One morning, his loyal worker Anil said, "Sir, you own all this land. Why do you still work so hard? Please take some rest. We'll handle everything." Jagannath smiled gently. "Anil, since childhood, I've worked with my own hands. No matter how much you all do, I find no peace unless I step into the fields myself." Years passed, and Jagannath grew older. Anil often suggested, "Sir, your son Satish is educated now. Let him take responsibility." At first, Jagannath resisted, but eventually he agreed. When Satish returned after completing his education, Jagannath said, "From tomorrow, come to the farm with me. You must learn everything." But Satish hesitated. "Father, I respect farming, but it's not profitable. I want to try business or a government job." Jagannath replied calmly, "All right, but first, find a job or business that has no hardships or losses. Only then will I agree."